तो मेरा बच्चा, आज आप जा रहे हो घर, ठीक है? तो बताओ, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस इन फिजिक्स वाला? आई हैव गॉट वन ऑफ माय wonderful students with me who has been absolute favorite, but due to some of the compulsions she had to leave back to Jammu. तो मन्नत से मैं बात करूँगा. She has been an outstanding student, jaw-dropping intellect, jaw-dropping pickup. तो उसके साथ मैं थोड़ा बहुत उसका एक्सपीरियंस अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहूँगा. मन्नत जानी, बताओ.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. मतलब मैं बचपन से यहीं पर हूँ एंड फिज़िक्स वाला में मैं 8th में आई थी. एंड एक्चुअली मैं जम्मू से यहाँ पर शिफ्ट हुई थी एंड आई वाज नॉट एट ऑल हैप्पी कि मैं यहाँ पर आ गई इन न्यू एनवायरनमेंट. बट द थिंग इज द ओनली रीज़न I loved being here is because of physics wala, because I got outstanding teachers, students, everyone here is really good. And you know, being here I didn't feel that I was the only one different girl here in the class, is because they all treated me very nicely and the teachers very much understanding and they were like the best teachers. And of course, if in future like I'll be successful, the only like the credit goes to them also. So I'll never forget them and I've kept
One word for every teacher who has taught you. I would presumably go first with Idris sir.
Idris. So he hasn't taught me, but I feel like I love his shairis. So from me, the name would be given as the best poet.
अच्छा, Tawseed sir.
He is like the teacher I've been the most frank with. So he's like my favorite
Okay,
one.
Ishfaq sir.
Ishfaq sir, I can say. Okay, yeah. Whenever the class, I feel distracted. Just you start thinking about something else, then you just come and you realize that I was thinking about something else. You come and you just strike at my head right here, and then I come back.
So you will always remember him for someone,
yes,
scudding with your head, right?
Yes, sir, because also like maybe you have noticed it or not, but whenever I feel I'm getting distracted, I just slap that. Yes,
Okay, Khurram sir.
He hasn't taught me, but he's a very like the best teacher we can say for the SST, because I have not.
Okay, Intizar sir.
Desire sir. He give live examples a lot, and SST is a subject where examples are needed the most. So I feel like
Okay, and Uwais sir.
Wes sir. He seems to be the most strict teacher, but he is very good.
Lovable, very lovable. Okay, what about Asif sir?
Asif sir. He is the god of physics, I can say.
Okay, he surely is. And what about Sheikh Zada Madar sir?
Sir, the thing is, I feel that if my mindset is changed and if I feel that now I can take the decisions very maturely and very wisely, that's just because of it.
Ah, great. Thank you very much. So she has been one of our iconic howling students, and आज इसको goodbye करना physics वाला. She has been with us for past 2 years. Goodbye करना बहुत मुश्किल है, बहुत कठिन है, but I wish her all the best. And Mannat, good luck to you. Wish you all the very best for your future. But you will always remain safe in our hearts. You have been an outstanding student and you will be, and wherever you are, you should surely rock. God bless you, my child. Goodbye.